if you have a keychain on here, it's a good idea to go ahead and take it off so it'll be out of your way. And the side that is flat instead of angled, if you look on that side, there's a little space right in here. And what you'll need is a pretty standard size flathead screwdriver. And you notice it kind of fits right in there. Make sure it's not too small or too large. If it fits there nicely like that. And there's kind of like a couple steps here. The first step is to twist it and get it started. So you twist it like so, kind of get it started. Then move it over a little bit to the left and push it in, kind of push it in a little ways. And what you want to do is you want to pry down like this. So you want to push up on the cover right here. You want to push up on that like that. Because it is really tight. So you want to push up and kind of unsnap it like so. And once you get to a certain point, you could unsnap it with your hand, but it's very tight. And as long as you're prying up on this cover, you're not going to damage anything here because it has this little ramp right here. You see that little ramp? So when you're putting the screwdriver in, once you release it here, you reposition it on this little ramp, and then that way you can pry this way. You know, you don't want to pry down towards the battery. And you notice it has this little seal. Now we can take this little cover and set it to the side. And it has this little seal right here, and there's the battery. It's a 2450 CR2450 battery. And you notice that there is a little spot right here in which is covered up. And then you have these little catches there on that side. And it actually kind of tells you, showing you right here, to use a small screwdriver, which I happen to have. And we're going to put it in this little spot here. And what we're gonna do is press it this way. The reason why is there's like a little spring under this cover is a little spring, and you're kind of compressing it. And you could probably put your finger over it just to keep it from flying out. And once you get it past that little catch, it will kind of push over. So now you have the new battery, and just don't touch anything in there. And then you set it down inside this little covered spot like so. And what you want to do is compress those springs and push it down. And make sure that it's under those little catches right here when you press it in place. Just make sure that the battery is underneath those two catches. All right, so now the new battery is installed. Now, putting on the cover here, it's really tight. Just like taking it off, it's really tight and snaps in place. So what you want to do is line it up best you can there, and try not to push the buttons on the other side, and start going around and pressing and making sure that it snaps in place, because there's some parts that you just have to really put a lot of pressure on it in order to get it snapped in place. So that way, now you want to look at the edge, kind of follow the edge around, and make sure that cover all the way around that edge is secure, especially right in here. This is where it's kind of hard. You have to really kind of press it to get it in place, and you'll hear the little snaps as it goes around. And once you do that, then you're all finished.